Kaya and Wanju everyone, you're on the Smellswood YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the Smellswood YouTube channel. Right, so what we're going to be doing is putting the first coat of paint on the top side of that. And we're going to do some more spray painting in here. Hopefully I can get the gun to work. We've still got it all taped up, but it's been a couple of days. It's been raining, so hopefully I can get all this done. Wish me luck. These are the flakes I ended up using. This is the varnish I decided to go with, and what I used to thin it down to get it to go through the gun. As soon as I started spraying the varnish out, I realised I needed to go get myself some PPE. So I got myself a respirator and a jumper. Always remember, wear your PPE, kids. After seeing the amount of flakes that were in the paint, I decided to put a few more on into the varnish because it was a little bit stickier. Now, some keen-eyed viewers might notice that I didn't dilute any of the varnish on this coat. I thought it came out the gun alright, so I'm just gonna send it! So, after a couple of hard days of work, decided we were going to go out and give it a little test on the river. Everything was going good, right up until the point where the engine decided to break down. So the next video is probably going to be me fixing the engine. Thank you everyone for joining me on the Smellswood YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.